Hi fellas, few first cast. Oh, nice one. Already trouble in windy. That's no good, that's no good. Oh no, crazy stuff. Up, gentle, 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 gently. Oh my god. I don't want to lose it. It's a nice lure. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right. This is gonna take a while. Yes, I managed to save. Lucky I am. Let's try again. It's quite nice. Oh, so was a hit. No, first cast. Nice hit. Jesus. You missed that. No, no. Let's see. Yes, fish on. Ooh. From the first cast. Oh, beautiful, very strong fish. I can't believe it. My season is open now for trout. Look at that, beautiful. From the first cast. Nice. I'm impressed. That's good. Alright. Let's release him. Open season for trout. Beautiful. Excellent. Fish is released. Beautiful. From the first cast. Beautiful. I put new braided line. Absolutely amazing. Good casting. First cast was the tree. Second cast was the fish. That's great. That's great. Oh. Beautiful nature. Peaceful. Birds are singing, welcoming me. Fantastic. Apparently got the second hit as well. No, but not that big one. A small fish. Not as big as first one, but well, at least give me some optimism to catch something more. Yesterday I tried it too, but it was minus temperature. I hate when the guys are frozen. You cannot really cast well. Lure doesn't really work well. You cannot provide as much as you want. That makes sad fishing. But now 100% succeed. Let's see. Maybe we can get something more. A few weeks ago was very high floods. Couple meters above water. You can see here is just like water everywhere, so not much really can fish. Much harder, but patient, and then maybe fish. Nice. Lovely sunny day. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I got one fish already. Let's see. It will be more. Slowly. It's a perfect level of water. I love it like this. Not too high, not too low. Come on, fishy, fishy, come on. Another beauty is landing, nice grayling. Good striker. Let's release him, very nice. Such a beauty.